Everyone will love the eggplants in this dish, including those who never eat them. The sautéed eggplant pieces are coated in a delicious sauce. I'll show you the technique to get tender eggplant without making them soggy in oil or crushed. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. These long purple eggplants have exactly the same texture and taste as classic ones. The preparation technique is the same for different varieties. Once washed, cut them into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Soak them in water with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar for 5 minutes. This step helps prevent them from oxidizing. Drain them. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix and let them disgorge for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, grate a piece of ginger and take 1 teaspoon. Chop 25 grams of garlic. It will give a delicious taste and fragrance to the dish. Put it with the ginger. Mince 2 sweet or hot chillies. Chop 1 green onion. Now, make the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Combine. Add 10 centiliters of water. Also add some ground pepper, the eggplants have lost the water. Gently squeeze them to remove a little more. Mix them with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. It will form a protective layer during cooking. Heat 1 centimeter of oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, fry the eggplant pieces. Do it by half. Leave them 40 seconds. Without a starch layer, the eggplant would have been soggy in oil. Flip them over and leave them for another 40 seconds. Stir for 30 seconds. Drain them. Continue in the same way with the other half. The cooking oil has not been absorbed. Keep it for stir-frying other dishes. Put 2 tablespoons of this oil in the same pan. Still heat it over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the garlic and the ginger. Stir from time to time. When they start to be golden, put the chili. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the seasoning sauce. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Put the pieces of eggplant. Gently stir for 40 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Briefly stir. And cut the fire. The final dish has a surprising burst of purple sapphires. It is exceptional in beauty and flavor. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and the chopped green onion. Enjoy with rice and forget about the meat for this meal. Bon appétit! This is how many Asians appreciate and often eat these eggplants. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.